Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do something that I've been meaning to do for quite a while. It's been a long time since I've done a coffee and cream alcohol ink swirl tumbler, and I'd like to do one, so let's do it. I will be using a naked metal tumbler. This is a 20 ounce from Makerflow. I will list everything below. My resin that goes on the cup will be colored white with Running Man white pigment from Woody's Goodies. On top of the resin, I will be dropping the following alcohol inks. These are Tim Holtz Ranger in Latte and Caramel. And then from Woody's Goodies, I have Rum and Coke, Long Island Iced Tea, and Kahlua. So all of those browns. And I will probably also drop on, although I will have white in the resin underneath, I hope to get some swirls from that. But if it looks like I need a little more cream in my coffee, I do have my Let's Resin white alcohol ink in the deeper label. They have normal and then they have a deeper white, and this is the deeper. I've got it transferred to a little drop bottle here. So I'm just going to gear up and start the ventilation system, and you can sit back and watch the show. There's not much to it. I put the resin on, about 20 milliliters mixed with the white pigment. And then I start dropping alcohol inks, and I hit it with heat, and I do a little turning and you know, up and down, tilting. That's the word. I do a little tilting up and down so that the swirls are encouraged to swirl some more, and then we come back and we see what we get. So sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how this turned out. Ooh. Oh, I love it. I love it. This could be coffee and cream. It could also be hot chocolate, honestly. Although I think it's a little dark. Let's go out here. There we go. There we go. Oh, I think this is gorgeous. I think standing here looking at it straight at it with my eyes and then looking at it on the screen of my camera, that you are seeing a slightly different version of the colors than I am, and possibly on your device that changes again. This isn't quite as yellow as it might be looking to you. To me, I definitely see browns and creams and whites, but it may look a little yellowy. It's unfortunate. I wish I knew better how to, color correct or force color correct, but I don't. I don't understand some of that stuff, and even so, however your device that you're watching on is set would change things anyway. So you'll just have to take my word for it. That this is a gorgeous coffee and cream looking tumbler. Like I say, it could conceivably be hot chocolate. It would be a little different than hot chocolate probably looks, although I know people like their dark hot chocolates too. But anyway, I think this is stunning. I think this turned out beautifully. I love it. I think having the white in the resin underneath and the white drops on top, I mean, there's the white underneath. You can clearly see that. Anytime you see just white, that is white resin showing through from underneath. And then all of the swirls that are more mixed with the browns, that is the white from on top. That is more of a cream color. So I'm just, oh, I love this cup. I love it. Let's see what happened down here. Even that's pretty. I am absolutely in love with this cup. I'm so happy I finally got a chance to do this. Fantastic. What do you think, folks? Do you like coffee and cream swirl cups? I think they're lovely. And I could put a saying on it. I have one that's like, but first, coffee. That would be appropriate. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.